Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Today I want to show you some kits that I acquired over the past couple of days here. First off, we have a 58 Impala, which I just built on the channel. I don't know, it's been about 2 weeks or so. I did that one in that lavender color. So I picked up another one of those. Thought that was a great deal. And then here we have the Gasmaster 37 Chevy Coupe. Very excited for this one. It is a AMT kit there, and I think this is a Ford. Yep, Ford 77 Ford. I always want to call them Econoline, but I don't know if that's what this one was. This might have been like their Craftsman or whatever. It says Econoline right there. Pick that one up, AMT. And here we have a 71 F250 custom 4x4. That's a Mobius kit. Very excited to put that one together. If you recall, this kit here, that's a 72 F250 with the snowplow, and this one here looks like just a dedicated 4x4 custom. That's a pretty heavy kit too. I can't wait to get into that one. And here we have a Hudson Hornet. I was so excited to see this one. 54 Hornet, a Mobius kit also, very cool. And this one, the Larry Fullerton's Trojan Horse. This is a Mustang 2 funny car from AMT. Not sure what year this was released originally, but I believe it's fairly new for right now. Let's see right there on the back. There's something, no release date that I see. But when I do the unboxing, I'll do a little bit further research on that one. That's a cool one. And here we have the Maverick 64 Dodge 330 Super Stock. That's Bill Golden Maverick version. That's a Lindbergh kit. This has got to be from the 90s. 97, yep. That kit's been around a while. But I ran across it and thought, hey, you know what? I need one of those. And here we have another Mobius kit. This is a 65 AFX Plymouth Golden Commandos Altered Wheelbase Plymouth Satellite. That was a mouthful, eh? Let's say Mobius kit. Very cool. And up top here we have a double header. That's two 27-foot inch scale van pulled behind a semi-truck, which most likely will go behind this semi-truck, the Mack R68 5ST or 685 ST, however you want to say it. AMT kit. And this one really pleased me because now I finally get to replace the missing headlight that was on the original 56 Bel Air Nomad, whatever, that I built a while ago. One of the headlights was missing. I think it was a passenger side. So I basically bought this just for the headlight. So I'll do something fancy with the body, maybe customize it or something. Don't know yet. That's a Revell monogram kit. That's pretty cool. And up front here we have an International Scout 2, which I don't remember ever seeing. Apparently it came out in, let's see, came out in 07. So life was a little different for me in 07. I wasn't really paying much attention to model kits at the time. But I got that one. I was very happy to have that one. That's cool. And then Little Red Wagon, which apparently was a 78 Dodge pickup, very similar to the one that was just the last video I did, I think, of that one. If I put that video out first or last, I don't know. You either already have seen it or it's coming up. Depends on which way I decide to put these out. And last but not least, Land Rover Series 3 109 long wheelbase station wagon. I had not seen this one before, and when I did see it at the hobby store, I was like, oh my gosh, I gotta have that, So that's something a little different we're going to build on the channel here soon. I'll do unboxings on all of these, as always, and I hope to bring you guys some entertainment and information. And for now, that's all I got. Everything else is going good. I hope everybody's doing well. Just keep on we'll keep on modeling, right? All right, guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you on the next one. This is Model Car Guy Rich out.